Hello students, let's read this question. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the mirror minor arc and also at a point on major arc. So let's start this question. Here the chord AB is equals to the radius of the circle in the above diagram, and OA and OB are the two radii of the circle. Now let's consider triangle OAB here. So here we can say that AB is equals to OA and it is equals to OB, as they all are the radius of the circle. So it can be said that triangle OAB has all equal sides. Thus, it is an equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So that's why each angle in this triangle will be of 60 degrees. So angle AOC will be of 60 degree. Now angle ACB will be half of angle AOB. So from here we can calculate angle AOB as half of 60 degree, which comes out to be angle ACB comes out to be of 30 degree. Since ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral, we can say that angle ABD plus angle ACB should be equals to 180 degree, as they are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So from here we can write that angle ADB is equals to 180 degree minus angle ACB, and this will be 180 degree and ACB will be calculated as 30 degree. So from here we get angle ADB as 150 degree. So we can say that the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc is of 150 degree and 30 degree respectively. So we have find out the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc, also at a point on the major arc. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.